If you're shopping for a wet and dry vacuum in 2026, you've probably come across these three machines: the UWANT D100, the new flagship UWANT D600, and the Dreame H12 Pro. On paper, all three promise to vacuum and mop at the same time, clean themselves afterwards, and make hard floor cleaning easier than ever. But specs only tell part of the story. Today, I'm comparing all three side by side, looking at the design, cleaning performance, self-cleaning systems, and the little details that actually matter when you're using one multiple times a week like I am. We'll be picking up ketchup, mustard, eggs, and sprinkles, then running each vacuum through its self-cleaning cycle before testing edge cleaning. We'll also compare maneuverability, under furniture clearances, and overall usability. So let's get started. Now, starting with the docking stations, the first thing I noticed is the docking design. Both UWANT models use what's called a push-in dock. Instead of lifting the vacuum onto the base and trying to line everything up, you simply push it straight into place. It sounds like a small thing, but if you've ever carried one of these with a full dirty water tank, it's surprisingly convenient. The Dreame still uses the more traditional lift-in-place docking system. It works perfectly fine, but I found the UWANT design a little easier to use day to day.
Start charging.
And looking at the overall design, the D600 lays the flattest, making it the easiest to reach under low furniture. The D100 also has excellent low-profile cleaning, while the H12 Pro doesn't recline nearly as far, so it requires more clearance under beds, couches, and cabinets. If cleaning underneath furniture is important in your home, that's something worth considering. And another feature I really like on the UWANT models is the floating handle. Because the handle pivots naturally, it takes less effort to guide the vacuum around furniture and obstacles. The Dreame uses a more traditional fixed handle. It still feels comfortable, but it doesn't have quite the same effortless maneuverability. And now for the part everyone really cares about: how well do they actually clean? On paper, the Dreame H12 Pro and the UWANT D100 are both rated at 18,000 pascals of suction. The D600 steps things up to 23,000 pascals, making it the most powerful of the three. During normal everyday cleaning though, all three handled the test messes surprisingly well without one being a standout. Ketchup, mustard, and eggs are some pretty heavy messes, and without the ability to clean the roller in between, there were bound to be some streaks left behind during the test. And now, to be fair, no one actually cleans this way. One straight forward pass and one straight backward pass before calling it done. Normally you'd overlap your passes and clean from different angles, especially for larger messes like this. But for consistency, every vacuum followed the exact same pattern, and for this comparison, I tested all three in auto mode. So not only did they pick it up with nothing left behind, but when I looked at the remaining streaks under bright lighting, they were all very similar, which again was to be expected given the type of test I did. When I took it over to the baseboards to test edge cleaning, this is where the Dreame is supposed to shine. And frankly, once again, they all handled the edge cleaning perfectly without any discernible difference. So I'm not exactly sure what makes the Dreame supposed to be different in this category, and maybe it was just a test product that I used, but I couldn't tell a difference. But there are a few differences in the cleaning settings. The D100 uses smart AI to automatically adjust suction and water flow while also letting you manually choose between three water levels: low, normal, and high. So depending on the level of mess, you can adjust it. The D600 expands on that with Smart Mode, Max Mode, and Dry Mode, while its AI adjusts cleaning performance based on the amount of dirt it detects. And it also gives you three water levels to choose from: low, normal, and high. The Dreame H12 Pro keeps things simpler with automatic operation and fewer manual adjustments. There are two power settings, but the Ultra Mode takes 30 seconds to warm up before starting, which I find to be a time waster.
Preparing Ultra Mode. Please wait for 30 seconds. Ultra Mode prepared.
So if you're someone who likes having more control over how your machine cleans, I think the UWANT models have the advantage here. Now moving to runtime, the UWANT D100 is rated for up to 35 minutes, the D600 up to 50 minutes, and the Dreame H12 Pro up to 35 minutes. Keep in mind, these are manufacturer maximums. Actual runtime in auto mode will generally be lower depending on the mess and how much suction the vacuum is using. Now the Dreame has an anti-tangle brush design that helps reduce hair wrapping around the roller, which can save maintenance if you have pets or long hair in the house. And as I mentioned earlier, it also advertises edge cleaning that gets very close to baseboards. The D100 also features dual edge cleaning, while the D600 focuses on maximizing suction and overall cleaning performance. Depending on your home, either approach could be more important. Now one feature I don't see talked about enough is odor. Anyone who's owned one of these knows exactly what happens if you forget to empty the dirty water tank. The D100 includes a built-in odor removal system that's designed to help reduce unpleasant smells, even if the dirty water sits a little longer than it should. The D600 takes that even further with its triple odor removal system, combining odor sticks, hot water cleaning, UVC sterilization, and hot drying. And if that wasn't enough, both of the UWANT vacuum cleaners feature a fully washable motor, which means if any dirt or residue gets stuck around the motor area, users can simply rinse it with water for easier maintenance. Meanwhile, most other brands' motors in this category are not washable, including the Dreame, so this is a pretty big feature for the entire wet-dry vac industry. The Dreame relies on hot water brush washing and hot air drying to help keep odors under control. They all address the problem, but the UWANTs clearly put more emphasis on odor management. Now, the self-cleaning system is probably the biggest difference between these machines. The D100 and the Dreame automatically wash the roller using hot water before drying it off with hot air, and it does a very good job keeping the brush clean. And the D600 takes self-maintenance even further. Its dock includes multiple cleaning stages: standard self-cleaning, deep self-cleaning, UVC sterilization, and infrared-assisted hot air drying. It's easily the most feature-rich self-cleaning system of the three, and if you've got kids and pets like me, the sterilization is a big win to avoid spreading germs around the house. If you want to spend as little time maintaining your vacuum as possible, this is one of the D600's biggest strengths. So after comparing all three, here's how I break them down. The UWANT D100 is the everyday value option. It offers cleaning performance, smart AI adjustments, adjustable water flow, dual edge cleaning, odor control, and the convenient push-in docking system. For most households, it's going to handle everyday cleaning without any trouble. The Dreame H12 Pro has some genuine strengths. Its anti-tangle brush design is a nice feature for homes with long hair, and its self-cleaning system performs very well. But if you're looking for the most complete overall package, to me, the D600 stands out. You get the highest suction at 23,000 pascals, the most advanced self-cleaning system, excellent odor control, the lowest under furniture profile, AI-controlled cleaning modes, adjustable handle, various water output, and the same convenient push-in docking system. So none of these machines are bad, and each one does something well. But considering the combination of cleaning performance, maintenance features, and everyday usability, the D600 would be my overall pick. So naturally, I used it to clean up the remaining streaks from the test. I hope this comparison was helpful. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.